Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy.
Good morning, T-Birds. I'm Sofia.
And I'm JayReece. Today is Thursday, February 21st, and you're watching Tahoma TV.
It's Black History Month, and today we are spotlighting Matthew Henson, born August 8, 1866, and died March 9, 1955. Henson is the first African-American Arctic explorer. He's also recognized as the first person to reach the North Pole in 1909.
Speaking of history, this past Monday was a day off of recognition of President's Day. There are a lot of mixed emotions about the current presidency. Tahoma TV caught up with the staff and students to see how they feel.
Hi, my name is Kevin with Tahoma TV. Today we're going to be talking about President's Day and how it affects you. What is your name?
My name is Mr. Goodson, Mr. G.
And how has President's Day affected you?
Well, it's always nice to have a long weekend, but President's Day is, of course, to commemorate the fact that we've established a government that allows to have presidents elected freely by the people.
And how do you feel about our current president?
I think he's stimulated a lot of interest in people to get involved.
What is your name?
My name is Todd DeCarteret.
And what do you know about President's Day?
I know that President's Day normally is a 4-day holiday, and it used to honor Abraham Lincoln and George Washington. And now we've combined the two, and because of the strike, we narrowed it down to a 3-day weekend this year.
How do you feel about our current president?
Well, I feel that, there's people on both sides of the aisle, and right now, things aren't going very well. People just need to relax, and, we'll get through this if people have a problem with it. And you just have to go back to previous presidents that weren't as popular and, kind of see how that worked as well.
What do you know about President's Day?
What I know about President's Day is to celebrate all the presidents that's in office or been in office, and also a day off from school.
How do you feel about the current president?
Current president, I don't really like him. Reasons why, because he be doing things that don't benefit this country. So like building a wall instead of fixing problems that are here in this United States.
As you can see, that's how many people we got in our interview. Back to the news.
There's a mandatory girls' fast pitch meeting right after school today. It's expected to be short. Me and Coach Thayer's room is 7-Eleven at 2:15.
Just a heads up, acupressure testing has been rescheduled for Wednesday, February 27th. Stop by the Career Center for more information.
It's Thursday's Threads, and to mount TV once you... Oh, wow.
I'm Mr. Parks. I'm talking about my outfit today. I've got a pink sweater here from Target. I've got a flower print shirt on underneath, some brown trousers and boots, and that's what I'm wearing. That's it.
Alright, feel me? You gotta wear red all day, every day, feel me? Got the red phones on, with the jeans, with the Angels hoodie, and then, you feel me? With the polo beanie, you know what I'm saying? Gotta keep it original.
I got plain black sweater, some blue Hollister jeans, some Vans. That's pretty much it. Basic fit.
Hey Jay, what? Speaking of Thursday Threads, what are you wearing today?
I got a red Nike hoodie, red Nike sweats, and the cheaper 8s. How about you?
I'm wearing a gray hoodie, American Eagle jeans, and black Vans.
And now it's time for another edition of Ask an Anchor.
So the question today is it okay to have feelings for an ex? And it's anonymous. What do you think?
It depends on how you guys broke up. If one of you guys did something to each other, just let it go. But if you guys broke up on good terms and it was mutual, and you guys think you guys can see each other in the future together, then yeah, it's alright.
Yeah, I agree with him. It depends on how you guys part ways, I guess. Well, that does it for today's news. Thanks again. I'm Sofia.
And I'm JayReece. Subscribe to us on YouTube to never miss a story.
Have a great day, T-Birds.